So now what I've done is let me show you the file when it came out. So it was not here, it was in source images. You see, this is a file. Pretty much left eye, ambient occlusion. We're just gonna double click on it and then open Photoshop. And it's pretty much that's it. It's just pretty much an ambient occlusion that is being baked out here into the geometry UVs. You know all that already. So do you want to do the next one? What you have to do is just pretty much hide this, go into the other one, the right eye, and then assign, because the shade is already being assigned to it, but this time you have to go here into the picture, bake texture, and then type here right eye, and then again go into batch baker, and then dot ascend. The same with the other geometry, which is called extra. This bit that I call extra. Okay, so you got 3 elements, and then that's it. So now what I'm gonna do next now is I'm going to now export. I think we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna export a high res and a low res version of all this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just hide these, okay, and then I have these stuff here. So pretty much I go these 3 pieces of geometry. I think these are, let's high res. So this is the high. These are the high res. No. So let's see what I got here. See, I got here. I'm just gonna do it probably this one. So what I did was I took, for example, left eye, yeah, and then I pretty much took this out, and then I exported it as an OBJ. So I took this, went into File, and I think I exported it as, yeah, as a, did I export it as an OBJ? Let me see the files. Source images here, quick tutorial. And I think I exported, yeah, model texture as an OBJ, yeah. And I think for baking I did the other thing, yeah. So what you have to do is now you take these 2 files. So you take this guy here, and then we export it as just pretty much just for baking. So we take this guy, we go into File, and we're going to export this as an FBX. So as an export selection, go into the settings here. Oh, before I move on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, okay, and I'm just going to scale it up. Okay, I'm gonna put it 10 because certain reason I had some issues before when I brought the model back inside XNormal. So it was said that it's too small and it was giving me an issue. This stuff was being pretty much baked into the geometry, so you will see in a minute. So what I do is I'm gonna take this guy, scale it up 10 times. It doesn't matter because the map is the map at the end when you're doing the shading. So I take this guy I'm just gonna do it for 1, so you know what to do with the rest. So I take this and I go into File. Doesn't matter the color. So we go here into Export Selection. Go into the options. Go here into FBX, and we export that. And I'm just gonna put it here in the scene files. Yeah, it's gonna put it here in the scene file. And I'm gonna call that left eye. And I'm gonna call it low res. Okay. And then the other thing that I had to make sure that I export is that I have smoothing groups on, and you don't need to bring animation because there's no animation. You don't need to bring cameras, light, things like that. So don't worry about that. All you have to do is make sure in geometry smoothing groups is on, so you get stuff that is smoothed out. So so you just go here and you just export that. Okay, and it gives you an error obviously because of the material, but you don't care about materials for now. So and then you take this guy and then you make a copy. Yeah, hide the other one, which is this guy. So I'm just gonna press H. Take this guy and I'm just gonna smooth it. So I'm gonna go into what is it? I'm gonna go into polygons and I'm just gonna go here into smooth. So I smooth it there. So pretty much I subdivide it. Yeah. So now we have tons more. And divisions are gonna divisions is just gonna make 2. So it's got quite a few. So it's gonna go quite really fairly high. So let's give you a second. Go on, my don't crash. I mean, yeah, there you go. So now this is going to be the smooth version. So this guy is going to have all the detail that I need from as a high-res version. Obviously, if you were doing stuff in ZBrush and stuff, then you will have the high-res, which is the high-res done in ZBrush. Okay, but for now, this will do. So I take this guy now, and I say File, and I say Export Selection. Go here, export that. Okay, and I go now into here, and I just the same setting, make sure that smooth group is on, spoiler selection, and I'm just gonna call this guy high res. Okay, so we're gonna go left eye high res. Okay, so we got that, and that's it. Left eye has high res. So we got this and export selection. It's gonna take a little bit of time. and it's going to bake out that. So it's, again, the materials, we don't care about that for now. And then now we have in the the files already saved there. So we got two files now, okay, which are the low res and the high res, and those are the one that we're going to use in Next Normal to bake the normal maps and the ambient occlusion maps. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Then I'm gonna go and show you in a minute how to do that in Next Normal. Thank you very much. Bye bye.